Hello everyone. In the last session we have studied about the renal autoregulation. In renal autoregulation we have studied myogenic, and in that condition 1 and condition 2, when condition 1 में BP increase हुआ तो क्या होता है, and condition 2 when the BP decreases what exactly happens and how GFR gets normalized, okay, in both conditions. That is the very first mechanism we have studied in renal autoregulation. Okay, what is that? Myogenic mechanism. Then in renal autoregulation we have also studied the second mechanism, that is tubuloglomerular feedback, okay, in which macula densa and juxtaglomerular cells are involved in regulating the GFR. Okay, now we'll study about the neural regulation. न्यूरल रेगुलेशन, नर्वस सिस्टम स्पेशली कोई भी ऑर्गन जब भी एफिशिएंटली फंक्शन करता है तभी उसका स्पीड इंक्रीज होता है फंक्शनिंग का, नहीं तो डिक्रीज होता है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द विच टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटी हैज़ टू बी परफॉर्म्ड. ओके, सो सिंपैथेटिक एंड पैरासिम्पैथेटिक nerves are the type of autonomous nervous system or autonomic nervous system, okay, which will increase or decrease the speed of functioning of that particular organ. Okay, sympathetic generally increase करता है functioning organs का, and parasympathetic is involved in normalizing the activity of the organs. Okay, यहाँ पे न्यूरल रेगुलेशन में you have to remember that only sympathetic nervous system plays very important role in regulating the GFR rate. Okay, पैरासिम्पैथेटिक का नर्व्स रहता है या नहीं उसका एविडेंस अभी तक मिला नहीं है. सो ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज़ रिमेंबर, सिंपैथेटिक नर्व्स इनर्वेट द किडनी and regulate the renal blood flow, thus regulating the blood flow in the afferent arteriole, and likewise GFR rate is normalized. Okay, got it. So renal autoregulation तो है किडनी के पास, how to regulate the blood flow to the kidney and how to regulate the GFR. In the last session we have studied myogenic and tubuloglomerular feedback mechanism. So that's why only sympathetic nerves innervate the kidney. Okay, there is no need of parasympathetic nerve innervation because normal करने का जो mechanism है वो किडनी के पास खुद रहता है. That's why no need of normalizing the GFR speed by innervation of parasympathetic nerves. ओके, सो अभी तक एविडेंस नहीं मिला है कि पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्व्स आर प्रेजेंट अराउंड द किडनी. ओके, गॉट इट. सो नाउ सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम के जो नर्व्स रहते हैं दे विल एक्ट ऑन द रीनल आर्टरी. रीनल आर्टरी देन एफरेंट आर्टेरियोल के ऊपर एक्ट करते हैं व्हेन द सिस्टमिक बीपी इंक्रीजेस. सो सिस्टमिक बीपी इंक्रीज हो गया तो एफरेंट आर्टेरियोल का बीपी राइज होगा. सो टू कम बैक टू नॉर्मल जीएफआर ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, तो जीएफआर कम करेगा वो, एंड रीनल आर्टरी में जो ब्लड फ्लो है वो भी कम करेगा. हाउ? बाय कंस्ट्रिक्शन ऑफ द रीनल आर्टरी. ओके, सो जब भी कोई इमरजेंसी कंडीशंस रहता है, व्हेनेवर देयर इज़ stressful conditions, other organs should also receive enough amount of blood. Okay, got it. So BP decrease करने का काम करेगा, GFR will also decrease. It will help in decreasing the blood volume and decreasing the blood pressure and GFR rate in the nephrons of the kidney. Okay, so sympathetic nervous system acts upon the renal artery and afferent arteriole when BP increases. So end result क्या होगा? renal artery constrict होगा. renal artery constrict होगा तो afferent arteriole will also constrict and blood volume will decrease, BP will decrease. Okay, and ultimately GFR rate will also decrease. समझ में आया? So that is the main role of sympathetic nerves which are innervating the kidney. Parasympathetic, as I told you, there is no evidence of innervation of parasympathetic nerves in the kidney. Reason behind this is that renal autoregulation is seen, means kidney can on itself regulate the GFR rate by myogenic mechanism and tubuloglomerular mechanism. Okay. So in the next lecture we will be learning about the hormonal regulation. In hormonal regulation, first one control by ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone. अगर वाटर का शॉर्टेज हो गया बॉडी में, if there is less intake of water, what exactly happens, and if there is excess intake of water, what exactly happens due to secretion of ADH. That we will be learning in the next lecture. Thank you.